In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view your ignored friend requests on Snapchat. Okay, so once you're on Snapchat, what you want to do is go to your profile. So tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. And then what you want to do is scroll down and then you want to tap on this option here, which is add friends. Okay, so once you've tapped on add friends, you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right-hand corner, which is right over there. Okay, tap on that. And now you can see options here, hidden from quick add and ignored from added me. Okay, so you just tap on ignored from added me and this will show you the list of all your ignored friend requests on Snapchat. And it doesn't get much simpler than that. And if you're not seeing that option right there, make sure you go to your app store and you find the Snapchat application. Once you found it, make sure to update your Snapchat app to the latest version. If for an example, you haven't updated in a while, and then you should see that feature. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.